This is Nick Cake. Nice to see you, Nick. Also a criminal defense lawyer. I got to ask, Deepak Paradkar was himself a criminal defense lawyer in the GTA since around 1996. Is this someone you knew?
No, unfortunately, our paths never crossed. I don't get much into the Toronto area, but I have heard very much about him, even prior to his involvement in the criminal justice system.
Are you surprised that he got bail today?
I'm not surprised he got bail because that's what the law allows for. So he was arrested under the Extradition Act, but the law of bail under our criminal code still applies. And so anyone arrested has the right to seek bail because they're innocent until proven guilty. In this case, the burden was on Mr. Paradkar to show why he ought to be released. And obviously, there was a judge who thinks that he did satisfy that burden. It's a very hefty bail plan, so I'm not surprised he got released.
In terms of the trial, when it does take place, is that something that will occur after he's extradited to the U.S. and will take place in the U.S., or could there also be a trial in Canada?
My understanding is that the trial will take place in the U.S. because he has been charged with crimes in the U.S. Essentially, the way that our two governments kind of play nicely in the sandbox together is that if you've allegedly committed some really bad stuff in the U.S., then under the Extradition Act, you can be arrested in Canada and then ultimately sent to an extradition hearing, which, as I understand, will be the next step.
And could he also face charges in Canada?
I mean, he could. He could, because if he was in Canada and the Canadian authorities allege that he had done something wrong in connection with this Ryan wedding situation or in connection with any other situation, then they have the right to charge him.
I can't imagine that the Law Society is looking at these charges kindly. Any word on whether he's actually still a lawyer in good standing right now?
Well, as far as I understand it, and this was a Google before I met with you today,
Sure.
but he has been suspended as it stands right now. So he is a lawyer. No one has stripped him of his law degree, just that his license to practice law right now, it's my understanding, has been suspended by the Law Society of Ontario.
This is such an intricate case with so many tentacles and a number of Canadian people charged by the FBI. What do you expect to happen next year, Nick?
A massive circus. I mean, this is a case where you are going to have witnesses who are no doubt involved allegedly in these illegal cartel dealings. So their level of cooperation may be at, one level one day and a new level the next. This is a massive case involving multiple countries, massive amounts of multimedia data, surveillance data, multiple enforcement agencies, again, from a variety of countries. This will no doubt be a case like a case that we have never seen before.
We'll be watching closely. Thanks for that, Nick.